Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's a Sunday here in London. It's sort of sunny outside, very cold. Tomorrow is 11/11. It's the 11th day and the 11th month of 2019. It's a time to reflect on what you've done in the year 2019 and what you have yet to do in 2020, and also reflect, activating and calling in that 11/11 vibration to help you with 2020. It's also a time to look at cleansing your energy and being very aware that it's time for you to address aspects of your life. Hello, Michelle, Xavier, how are you? Nice to see you too. I hope you're feeling better. We send healing to you about your condition. Okay, so are you tired of being where you are? Are you feeling you've had enough? Are you feeling you're wanting to be inspired and you want to be boosted? Are you feeling a little bit tired of yourself, of the people around you, of your family, of your business? Are you feeling lethargic? Then tomorrow, the 11th of November, is a time to gather and make your wishes and your desires known in terms of helping you to connect to the true essence of you. 11/11 is a holy number. So tomorrow, I'm doing a 4-hour workshop on Zoom for those who want to come. And this 4-hour workshop on the 11/11 will talk and teach. We'll do the 11/11 meditation as always. We'll also be talking about the energy and teaching about the vibration of 11, how 11 affects your life. What is the significance of 11/11 in your life here in 2019 and going forward into 2020? So we'll be looking at what it is that perhaps you're wanting inspiration in your life. Perhaps you're wanting a boost in your life. Perhaps you're wanting to recognize who you have become in 2019 and whether or not you are happy with who and what you have become. And perhaps tomorrow is a good day. Well, I know for a fact tomorrow is a good day because tomorrow the energies are coming in with a lot of light and activation. So it's a multi-dimensional day. So in this gathering, in this workshop, it'll be quite intensive. So you can come in the comfort of your own space on Zoom. I will share the link before. So are you ready to discover a path within you whereby you are working your true path? You are aligning to your true path. And you have felt maybe confused, misaligned, misdirected, misunderstood. And you're just a little bit fed up of this chaos of not being at peace or balance with yourself. Tomorrow's workshop is a workshop which is on Zoom that will help to anchor this. If you can't come to the workshop, you can buy it and it will be sent to you and you can listen later in the comfort of your home. Hello, Patricia Hill. Hello, Sula Ella. Hello, Mark Hercules. Hello, Grenville Williams. Hello, Michelle. Hello, Miyomi. Can't pronounce the name. So 11/11 is a time for activation, multi-dimensional activation. So in this workshop, which is quite intense, we'll be looking at the multi-dimensional layers of your being. We'll be working with specific and we'll be bringing it back home to you, something that's specific and aligned for you. We'll be looking at your awakening. What is your awakening? There's a multi-dimensional awakening. There's a multidimensional transformation. There's a multidimensional process of growth. So we have the 11/11, we have the gateway, the passageway, the portal. So we have been working with this for many years and we'll be continuing this. So I made some notes here. Let me make sure I've got that. So what happened in your life that you did not like? And what did you have to do? Because what happened you didn't like made you do something else. And was there a gift in that? Was there a blessing? Usually you'll find that when something you don't like happens, sometimes a good thing and sometimes it's not, but sometimes you think, what is the blessing here? The 11:11 vibration says, are you ready for your own inner path, your own inner truth? Are you ready to come into the silence of your mind and look at the various areas in your life, your relationship, even your finances, your politics, your religion, your spirituality, your own development? How are you attending to your education, to your connection and communication with other people? Are you finding it difficult, or is there always a pattern that keeps repeating itself? So the 11:11 vibration and the workshop will help you identify and do a cleansing for you. So this is very, very important for all of you. Hello, right. So what is the benefit of 11:11 for you? What is the benefit of the 11 number? How can you use it in your life as you process the exit of 2019 and enter into 2020? What is the meaning of this number on a deep level, and how can you activate and channel what it is? And how do you turn the poison in your life into medicine? This workshop is going to be quite intensive and very specific, working with the number 11. I'm working with the activation of the number of purification, the holy number. And it's going to be working with, I am well, I am balanced. So at the end of the meditation, at the end of the workshop, this 4-hour workshop, you're going to feel balanced. You're going to feel more in control of your thoughts and your emotions. You're going to feel more centered. You're going to feel like, yes, this is what I've been looking for. I need this sacred space. And it's very important for you to be aware of that. Right. So that's all I want to say. I look forward to serving you and being with you tomorrow, the 11th of November, from 10 a.m. London time to 2 p.m. London time on Zoom. If you can make it, I'll see you on Zoom. I'll post the link below. If you can't make it, you can buy the link, and then you can buy the link, and then you can watch and do the exercises yourself. I have a little book that I will be sharing to those who buy the course and who come on the course. So I have a little workbook that will help with this vibration. I look forward to seeing you. Thank you so much for listening, and happy 11:11. May the number 11 anchor into you. May the number 1 be an aspect of helping you to activate your self-mastery, and you opening to more, and you becoming more. Welcome. I look forward to seeing you to the 11:11 workshop tomorrow on the 11th of November. Hello, Bianca. Hello, Bianca. Hello, Tina. Hello, is it Muyama? Hello, Patricia. Hello, Suella. Hello, everyone watching and watching later. I'm going to say goodbye, and thank you so much for watching. All I wanted to do was talk to you about the power of the workshop tomorrow and the energy of 11:11. So in that workshop, I will actually be channeling the 11:11 portal and gateway. So the workshop is timed to link into 10 to 11, 11, and 11:11 and more. So during that time, we'll be in intense meditation, calling in that energy, and then we'll be doing lots and asking questions and answering questions. The exercises are very important, and they're very, very empowering to enable you to come to terms with who you are becoming, to come to terms to the changes in your life, to come to terms with the reality of your life as opposed to somebody else's life. So you can say, I am balanced. I am well. All is well in my life. Happy 11:11. See you tomorrow. Bye. Thank you for being here.